Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this structured cape. And this structured cape, we'll be making it with our boning, your fabric, and your stay, your hard stay. And before we proceed, if you have any question, please ask in the comments section. And you go ahead and measure the width of what you will be needing. Go ahead and measure the width. The width you're going to measure will be the same with your stay and your fabric. And depending on the structure you are going for, depending on how wide the shape you want it to be, you will cut it on your stay. And the length you want, you will cut it on your stay. And it's going to be the same with the fabric you're going to use to cover it. That is the main fabric you're going to use is going to be the same shape with what you are going for. This stay is what we are going to use to attach our boning. We'll be attaching our boning on it, and if the structure you want is going to be wider, like 6 inches wide, we are going to attach like 4 boning on the stay so that it will be able to have weight and hold it. And for this is the shape I'm going for, and I'm using the boning. I'm going to attach 2 boning on it. Depending on the shape, we are going to cut out the shape on the stay, then insert it into the main fabric. You go ahead and attach your boning. You give a little space at the end. Do not allow it to get to the end. You go ahead and sew the second one. If you want your structure to be wider than this, you can cut it on your stay, then go ahead and attach your boning. Any design you want, you cut it, attach your boning on it, then insert it into your main fabric. And the main fabric you're going to cut is going to be the same width as your stay. I'll go ahead and attach the second boning. If you like, you can attach up to 3. The more boning you attach, the more structure you have. Go and sew it down. This is a sewable boning. This is a sewable boning. The boning, regime boning, the one you can sew. When you get to the end, you leave a little bit space at the end. You go ahead and cut the remaining. You sew the other side down. And after sewing, this is what you have. Can you see it's coming out already? Can you see the structure? Like so. Then you go ahead and bring your fabric, fold your fabric into 2. You stitch it down from the wrong side. Before sewing this, you are going to measure the length you have from where you're going to attach it and to where it's going to end. That is what you're going to measure. For me, the length I'm making use of is 22. Depending on where you're going to measure is going to start and where it's going to stop. And you go ahead and turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side, iron it down. Then move the sewing side to the middle of the back, and you go ahead and attach your fixing the stay with the boning. Go ahead and push it inside. And after this is what you're going to have. You have your structured, your standing cape. You go ahead and attach it wherever you want to attach it. See standing. Go ahead and attach. Go ahead and attach it where you want to place it. And this is the end of our tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.